Hey everybody, we've got 3 new products. We've had some for the 95 to 97 Land Cruiser or the Lexus LX450. So we've got a phone mounting system, DIN ham radio mounting system. This will actually work on any vehicle with this rectangular DIN radio slot. And then down here we have this, where the ashtray used to be, there's a Cobra CB radio. All right, I'll go over this a little briefly. So we've got, this is a, you might be familiar with the R.A.M mount. This is another one called Bulletpoint, but it's a cell phone mount. You could also put iPads up here and whatnot. They lock down. They're really sturdy. So what this used to be is what they called a useless cubby. There used to be just a slot there and it was useless. So now there are other products on the market, but they don't incorporate this cantilever design. So with this back here, it goes back in and up, and it rides against the metal frame so that you can put more weight out forward here. So you could actually put 2 like phones or a phone and an iPad here. And this system incorporates, these are called AMPS. They're industry standard mounting. So you can use R.A.M mounts or these Bulletpoint mounts. And then also we've hidden in there is one of these USB-C and type A fast charge things. And the cool thing is it also shows you the battery voltage. So if you're running a scan gauge like I am here, you can take the voltage off of there. You don't need that, so it frees up another little spot there for a different gauge. Okay, it's all pretty easy. You just take 2 screws and that's what mounts it in there. Okay, next product, this ham radio. This is a Radioddity DB25-D. This is a 2-meter radio. Usually it's, well, I guess it's a digital mode radio, but it can also be used analogically. So it has a built-in GPS, and with that you'd be able to send your location to your wheeling buddies over the 2-meter frequency. I put these switch pods in, or switch holes in, with these little interchangeable pods. So this one is the 2-hole 20 millimeters, and then the other one is a single to mount one of these style, like the rectangular switches, but these pop out. You can interchange them, and then also behind there it allows, you can pop this out and allows access to the side of the radio so that you can program it. But you do need to modify your cable or find a different cable, because the stock cable has a 90-degree and it interferes with this. So you need to make it so it goes straight in, which shouldn't be a problem because you need to buy a new cable anyways. The included one with this kind of stinks. Has bad firmware problems. So we'll get a new cable that works. This also works with the Retevis radio, which is a similar body. And maybe other radios too, I don't know. And here is what this frame looks like. And it's all made of ASA plastic, which is UV resistant, temperature resistant. It's good for car interiors. And next product, the Cobra radio. I don't have it screwed in right now, but see, it just slides in and then it's got, you will have to, whoops. It's got 2 screws here that hold the whole frame of the old ashtray. And you remove that, put it in, put the screws in, and you have to put them in. Let's put this down here. When you put the screws in, you'll put them in probably like at a 45-degree angle there, a 45-degree angle here, so that they don't go straight in. You have to go in from an angle. And you can mount up with these holes here. You can mount these, I don't know what you call those, but it's so you can take your radio microphone and you clip it in there. So yeah, this is all for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Okay.